I wanted to go ahead and review some of the stuff that we did regarding lab, just to get you ready to do some of the worksheets that we're going to be working on today. So the first thing is, when we did the buggy lab, we got position versus time and velocity versus time graphs, and they look like this. So this is for the buggy lab, and this was for the velocity versus time for the buggy lab. And we got an equation. X is the velocity times the time, and of course we have to incorporate the initial position. And for the ramp lab, we got a slightly different set of equations. We got a parabolic curve here to indicate that it's accelerating, and we got a little bit of a different formula. Sorry, let me just move this. And we also got a linear equation for the velocity, like this. So v equals at plus v naught. A couple things I want to emphasize. First of all, the question I want to ask is, what does the slope here mean for the position graph? And of course, if you remember, the slope is in fact the velocity. So in this case, though, we don't have a slope for the position graph that's constant. We do have a constant slope for our velocity graph. And so the question I can ask here is, what does the slope of the velocity graph mean in real life? And of course, that is the acceleration. So that's a basic review of some of the things related to what we did in the lab. I want to go ahead in the next video, and we're going to talk about how we can apply these graphs to a couple of situations I'm going to have you do on the worksheet.